Are you preparing for NEET-PG 2026? Looking for a structured, exam-oriented, and complete preparation platform? Welcome to SDK Technologies, your smart partner for NEET success. First, open your browser and visit www.sdktechnologies.com. On the homepage, navigate to the Courses section and select NEET-PG 2026 course. Once you're on the NEET-PG 2026 course page, click on Continue or Enroll Now. This will take you to the registration page. Fill in your details. Choose a username. Enter your email ID. Create a secure password. Select your city. After entering all the details, complete the registration. Once you register, you will receive a confirmation email on your registered email address. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. This will automatically redirect you to the course page. Now, explore the course details carefully. Choose the course package you want to enroll in. Proceed to make the payment securely. Once the payment is successful, you will be officially enrolled in the course. Don't wait. Start your NEET-PG 2026 preparation today. Visit www.sdktechnologies.com and enroll now.